Magandang buhay sa lahat! Welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo on how to solve parallelogram. So, we have parallelogram COME or parallelogram COM. The measurement of angle O is A plus 60 degrees and the measurement of angle E is 3A minus 30 degrees. So, the question here is how to find or how to calculate the value of A. So, yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so what is the value of A in parallelogram COM? So dalawa po yung question na pwede nating sagutin, the value of A and the value of angle CEM sa ating figure parallelogram COM. Okay, so again, ano po yung given sa ating parallelogram? So ang given po sa ating parallelogram ay opposite angles. So ano po ba yung concept ng opposite angles of a parallelogram? Doon po natin i-base. So opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So ibig sabihin, kapag congruent po yung opposite angles, since pareho po silang given, ay makakagawa tayo ng equation. So ang equation natin dyan ay angle CEM or itong angle E is equal to angle C or MOC. MOC or COM or angle O. So ito po yung tinutukoy niyan kapag 3 letters po yung angle natin, yung center po na letter, yun po yung kanyang vertex. So angle E. Ito naman MOC, O po yung center, yun yung angle ng or vertex ng angle O. Okay, so since sila ay opposite, ibig sabihin equal angle po sila or the same angle. So makakagawa po tayo ng equation na two angles are equal. Substitute natin yung given, 3A minus 15 sa angle CEM is equal to angle MOC or COM ay A plus 35. So itong dalawang angle na ito ay i-equal po natin. Okay? And then solve for E or A rather. Okay, so to solve for A, we have 3A, we have A here. Lahat ng may variable A ay ilagay natin sa left ng equal sign. So yung 3A, remain na siya dyan. And then itong A, since positive yung A, pag nilipat natin sa left ng equal sign, change the sign, positive will become negative. Kaya yung positive A magiging minus A sa left ng equal sign. Okay? And then, yun naman pong 35, remain na siya sa right ng equal sign, itong 35. So, plus 35, so positive 35. At ito naman pong minus 15, pag nilipat natin sa right ng equal sign, ito po ay minus 15 magiging change sa sign plus 15. Okay. So in this case, we have 3A minus A nasa left ng equal sign. Itong parehong may variable A at yung walang variable A nasa right ng equal sign. So pagsasamahin natin to solve for A. So 3A minus A is equal to 2A is equal to 35 plus 15 is equal to 50. Okay? So since ang kinakalculate po natin ay A, may kasamang 2 yung A, so divide by 2 to both side of the equation. So ang purpose nun, para makancel natin itong 2. Okay? So kung anong kasama ng A na number, yun yung i-divide natin to both. Okay? So ang matitira po dito sa left ng equal sign ay A. So A is equal to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So A is equal to 25. Nasagot na po natin yung letter A question, value, what is the value of A or find the value of A. So A is equal to 25. So ngayon, makakalculate na po natin yung measurement ng angle CEM. Okay, since na-calculate natin that the value of A is 25, ngayon makakalculate na po natin the measurement of angle CEM. So ano po yung angle CEM? Ito po yon. Ang measurement po niya ay 3A minus 15. So to solve for the measurement of this angle CEM, substitute lang po natin yung na-compute natin na value ng A na 25. Okay, so this become 3A means 3 times A. Ang value ng A ay 25, kaya 3 times 25, then bring down minus 15. Okay? So, ang ginawa lang po natin dito, substitute lang po natin yung value ng A dito sa ating given. Okay? So, 3A, 3 times 25. Then, multiply first before subtraction. So, what is 3 times 25? Yan po ay 75, then minus 15. And 75 minus 15 is equal to 60 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, itong measurement C or angle CEM is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so about this number 2 example to master the lesson, what is the value of A in parallelogram save? O, value of A at the same time, calculate natin the measurement of angle ABE. Ito po yung ating figure. So, parallelogram save, SAVE. This time, again, ang given po ay opposite angles. Okay? So, ang opposite angles, so i-equal lang po natin yung dalawang angle to solve for A. Okay? So, ito po yung first angle, ESA, ito po yon. At another angle ay AVE. Ito po yon. Equal natin. So, itong first angle natin ay 5A plus 30. Equal natin sa second angle natin. Naka-opposite niya, 3A plus 70. 3A plus 70. So, the same process. Itong may variable A, lipat natin sa left ng equal sign. So, 5A at 3A, pagsamahin natin. Remain na yung 5A sa left at yung 3A positive. If you transpose, that will become negative, change the sign. So, 5A minus 3A is equal to yung 70, remain na sa right ng equal sign. Ito ang transpose natin, plus 30, magiging minus 30. Okay, subtract natin. 5A minus 3A is equal to 2A, equal to 70 minus 30 is 40. So, 2A is equal to 40. Okay, since may kasama ulit yung A na 2, divide natin ng 2 to both side of the equation. Again, ang purpose nyon, to cancel 2. Okay, so ang matitira sa left ng equal sign ay A, then 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. So, A is equal to 20. Okay, meron na po tayong value ng A na 20. Makakalculate na po natin yung measure ng angle AVE. Okay, for angle AVE, ang AVE po ay, ito po yung AVE, 3A plus 70. Ito po yan. So, 3A plus 70, ang measure, ang A po or value ng A is 20. Substitute natin ulit dito. 3A, 3 times A, 3 times 20. Because A is 20, then bring down plus 70. So, multiply first. 3 times 20 is 60, then plus 70. And 60 plus 70 is equal to 130. So, the measurement of angle AVE, letter B question, is 130 degrees. Okay, for number 3 question, solve for A and the measurement of angle AVE sa ating given figure. So, the same po yung figure natin. Pilatan ko lang po yung ating given angle. So, this time, ito pong first angle ay 3A minus 40 at yung kanyang ka-opposite ay 2A plus 10. So, pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito. Try to solve. Then, kapag na-solve po ninyo, comment nyo po sa comment box below. At hintayin po ninyo yung aking reply. Tingnan po natin kung tama yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa pod, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.